is what America's about. These good people you see here holding the peace, that's what it's about, right? Want some cookies? Have some cookies, man. Make your day a little nicer. Have some cookies. Okay. Give me out some cookies. Cookies! Anybody? Anybody? Why don't you eat them and find out? Cookies, anybody?
You're the good guys here. You guys are being surprised.
We're just trying to spread peace and understanding, man. What can you do, man? It is great.